Okie dokie. So, continuing in the notebook, big deja vu by flicking through, but it's nice to see what's been done already. Couldn't use that page. And this is now, I guess, the fourth. Did I even count how many I've done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. Wow. Okay, I'm going to do tutorial number 10 on a grid where it's repeating. So like this one. So it'll be 16 followed by number 10. Let's go.
Okay, so there we have it. This was tutorial number 16 and then tutorial number 10 for the pattern. Both from YouTube. I must say, this felt like a hot mess. But there's something really enjoyable about drawing and colouring quickly. I don't know, I quite enjoy it. I think it's the way forward.
I think it's the 18th. Okay, well, hope you have a go. And as you can see, it didn't affect on the other side. So, nicey nice. Enjoy. Bye.